Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm beyond excited to share with you the best BBQ chicken recipe you'll ever try. Seriously, this recipe is a game changer. It's juicy, smoky, sweet, and packed with flavor that will have your taste buds dancing. Whether you're grilling for a summer BBQ, a family dinner, or just craving something delicious, this recipe is for you. Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs or your favorite cut. A half cup of your favorite BBQ sauce. I'm using a smoky homemade one today. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, a half teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional for a little kick, salt and pepper to taste. And of course, you'll need a grill or oven to cook this beauty. Now, let's prep the chicken. Start by patting the chicken dry with paper towels. This helps the seasoning stick better and ensures a crispy skin. Next, drizzle the olive oil over the chicken and rub it all over. Now, it's time for the seasoning mix. In a small bowl, combine the smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. Mix it well, then generously rub this spice blend all over the chicken. Make sure every inch is covered. This is where the magic happens. Alright, let's fire up the grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat around 375 to 400 F. Once it's hot, place the chicken on the grill, skin side down. Let it cook for about 5-7 minutes until you get those beautiful grill marks and the skin is crispy. Then, flip the chicken and brush on a generous layer of BBQ sauce. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Then flip and brush again. Repeat this process a few times to build up that sticky, caramelized BBQ glaze. Trust me, this is the secret to the best BBQ chicken. Once the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 F, it's done. Take it off the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. This keeps all those juices locked in. Now, look at this beauty. The skin is crispy, the meat is tender, and that BBQ glaze is absolutely irresistible. I can't wait for you to try this. Oh my goodness. This is hands down the best BBQ chicken I've ever made. It's smoky, sweet, and so flavorful. The meat is perfectly juicy, and that crispy skin, chef's kiss. You have to try this recipe. It's a total crowd pleaser. Alright guys, that's it for today's recipe. If you try this BBQ chicken, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy grilling!